When you're decorating, artwork can bring drama to any space, but it can also cost a fortune. I'm going to show you an easy DIY masterpiece that will transform your space without spending a ton of money. Before you get started on your masterpiece, it's a great idea to have a test place, just some scrap paper and your paintbrush to see how you would like your strokes to look. Once you find what you like, you can get started on the real thing. And just like that, I have a DIY masterpiece that anyone can do, and I didn't spend $1 million.